Hello there, fashion enthusiasts and casual browsers alike. Today, we dive into the history and evolution of the humble t-shirt, an essential piece in everyone's wardrobe. That's right, we're pulling back the curtain on the fashion staple that's probably in your drawer right now. From its humble beginnings as undergarments to its rise as a canvas for self-expression, the t-shirt has truly come a long way. Now, if you're thinking about refreshing your collection or just curious about the best t-shirt selections out there, we've got you covered. We've taken the liberty of curating a list of some of the finest t-shirt options available. You can find the links to these gems in the description box of this video. So buckle up as we embark on a journey tracing the origins and evolution of the t-shirt. Whether you're a fashion maven or a casual dresser, there's something in this tale for everyone. The t-shirt, as we know it, has a surprisingly long history. This ubiquitous piece of clothing that today graces wardrobes across the globe was born out of pure necessity. In the late 19th century, the t-shirt began its journey not as the fashion staple it is today, but as an undergarment, a practical solution for the working class. The Industrial Revolution brought about many changes, among which was a shift in clothing habits. As workers toiled in factories, they needed a lightweight, easy-to-wear garment that could be worn under their heavy work clothes to soak up sweat. The t-shirt, made of soft, breathable cotton, fit the bill perfectly. It was comfortable, easy to clean, and most importantly, affordable. The t-shirt's transition from undergarment to standalone garment is credited to the Spanish-American War at the turn of the 20th century. American soldiers stationed in the sweltering tropics found their standard-issue wool uniforms unbearably hot. In contrast, the lightweight cotton undershirts, or t-shirts as they were becoming known due to their T-shape, were much more comfortable in the tropical climate. The soldiers began ditching their heavy wool uniforms, opting instead to wear their t-shirts as their main garment. This trend was initially frowned upon, seen as a disregard for uniform protocol. However, the practicality of the t-shirt could not be denied, and soon it was officially incorporated into the U.S. Navy's uniform in the early 20th century. The t-shirt had successfully transitioned from a humble undergarment to a standalone piece of clothing, worn proudly by American soldiers. It was a symbol of practicality, comfort, and adaptability. But its journey was far from over. The t-shirt was yet to take the fashion world by storm and transform from a symbol of utility to a medium of self-expression and style. And thus, the t-shirt was born, not as a fashion statement, but as a practical piece of clothing for the working class. Its roots in practicality and comfort laid the foundation for its evolution into the fashion staple it is today, a testament to its timeless appeal and versatility. The t-shirt didn't stay just a practical piece for long. It soon found its way into popular culture. It became more than just a comfortable garment to be worn under military uniforms or laborers' clothes. The t-shirt started to tell a story, a narrative that mirrored the changing times and evolving societal norms. The t-shirt's rise to fame can be traced back to the silver screen. The year was 1951, and a young Marlon Brando made waves in the film industry with his performance in A Streetcar Named Desire. Brando's character, Stanley Kowalski, was often seen in a plain white t-shirt, a stark contrast to the more formal attire prevalent in films of that era. This cinematic moment sparked a sartorial revolution, propelling the t-shirt into the limelight and making it a symbol of youthful rebellion. However, the t-shirt's journey didn't stop there. It evolved further in the 1960s and 70s, becoming a medium for self-expression and a billboard for political, social, and cultural messages. This was a time of change, of protests, and of the fight for civil rights. People began to use their clothing, specifically their t-shirts, to voice their opinions and beliefs. T-shirts emblazoned with slogans, symbols, and artwork became common sights at rallies and protests. The t-shirt had become a powerful tool for communication. In the world of music, bands and musicians began using t-shirts as merchandise, further cementing its place in popular culture. Fans would wear these shirts as badges of honor, proudly displaying their musical allegiances. This trend has continued to this day, with band t-shirts being a staple in many wardrobes. The t-shirt's evolution from a basic undergarment to an iconic fashion item is a testament to its versatility and universal appeal. It's a garment that transcends age, gender, and culture. With its rise in popularity, the t-shirt had transformed from a simple garment into a canvas for personal expression. Today, the t-shirt is more than just a canvas. It's a fashion staple, a statement, and a business. The modern t-shirt is a true chameleon, adaptable and versatile, both in style and function. No longer just a plain white undergarment, it has evolved into a myriad of styles and prints, becoming a key player in the world of fashion. From the classic crew neck to the trendy V-neck, from the casual polo to the sporty raglan, t-shirts now come in various cuts and designs catering to every individual's unique taste and style. There's a t-shirt for every occasion, be it a casual day out, a gym session, or even a semi-formal event. But it's not just about the cut and fit. The prints and graphics on a t-shirt can express personal style, beliefs, passions, and even humor. From band logos to graphic art, from witty catchphrases to bold political statements, t-shirts have become a wearable form of self-expression. The rise of designer t-shirts has further elevated this humble garment into a luxury item. Brands like Gucci, Balenciaga, and Supreme have released t-shirts with their logos prominently displayed, transforming a basic tee into a status symbol. T-shirts have also become a powerful tool in brand marketing. Companies and organizations use them as promotional items, leveraging the t-shirt's popularity to increase brand visibility. But it's not all about fashion and business. The t-shirt industry is also embracing sustainability. More and more brands are producing eco-friendly t-shirts made from organic cotton or recycled materials, reducing their environmental footprint. This shift towards ethical production is not only a testament to the t-shirt's adaptability, but also to its enduring relevance in our evolving society. From its utilitarian origins to its current status as a fashion essential, the t-shirt has indeed come a long way. It's a testament to its timeless appeal that even as trends come and go, the t-shirt remains a constant, proving that sometimes simplicity truly is the ultimate sophistication. In just a few minutes, we've traced the journey of the t-shirt through the centuries. We started with its humble origins as undergarments in the late 19th century, moving on to its rise to popularity in the mid-20th century. We saw how it became a symbol of rebellion and individuality, and then moved into the mainstream, becoming a staple in every person's wardrobe. We've also explored the modern t-shirt and its multifaceted roles. Today, it's not just a piece of clothing, but a canvas for personal expression, a marketing tool, and a fashion statement. From high-fashion runways to local flea markets, the t-shirt has truly come a long way. So next time you put on your favorite t-shirt, remember the rich history it carries. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to check out the best t-shirt links in the description below. Until next time, stay fashionable.